Welcome to my Switching, Routing, and Wireless Essentials course. This should be the CCNA version 7 curriculum. This is the second of 3 courses. Hello and welcome. This is Lab 3.4.5, Configuring Trunks. Alright, so first of all, completion 0. I just started the lab. I'm going to adjust the screen. I have the desirable address table on the side of my screen. I also have a blank Word doc that I'll be using for repetitive commands. Also on the side of my screen. We're going to verify VLANs and configure trunks. The background. Remember that trunks are required to pass VLAN information between switches. A port on a switch is either an access port or a trunk port. Either or, not both. And not neither. Access ports carry traffic from a specific VLAN assigned to that port, while a trunk port by default is a member of all VLANs. You can modify that if necessary. Therefore, it can carry traffic for all VLANs. This activity will focus on creating trunk ports and assigning them to a native VLAN other than the default. Looking at this, you'll notice that we have our PCs, we have IP addresses, subnet masks, what switch port they are connected to, and what VLAN they are attached to. Instructions are not overly in-depth, so first thing is, let's configure a trunk on switch 1 and use the VLAN 99 as the native VLAN. Alright, so I'm going to do Notepad for almost all of this. So enable conf t int range gig 0/1 through 2 switch port mode trunk. It also said to change the native VLAN to switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Exit so we are not just sitting in a range. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Move that off my screen. Switch 1. Paste. We should get an immediate up and then eventually start getting our CDP native VLAN mismatch. Because switch 2 and switch 3 have different native VLANs. Alright, there we go. I didn't want to wait, so I just fast forwarded a little bit, but here are our native VLAN mismatch. You can configure VLAN 99 as a native VLAN on switch 1, however switch 2 and 3 are still using VLAN 1 as the default native VLAN as indicated by the message. Although you have a native VLAN mismatch, pings between the PCs on the same VLANs are now successful. What's going on? While pings are successful because trunks or trunking has been enabled on switch 1, the dynamic trunk protocol, DTP, has automatically negotiated the other side of the trunk links. In this case, switch 2 and switch 3 have now automatically configured the ports attached to switch 1 as switching port, or as a trunking port, so switching can continue. So let's double check. PC1 ping 172.17.10.24. Even though there is a mismatch, basic communication still exists. So how do we fix this? That is what we're going to do in step 3, but now we need to just do verification. On switch 2 and switch 3, use the show int trunk command. Enable show int trunk. Status is trunking, mode is auto. enable show int trunk. Same thing. Trunking native VLAN is 1. Auto native VLAN 1. I would be thorough. Show int trunk. We have our modes on. Trunking native VLAN 99. So there is still a native VLAN mismatch. But if you're on the same VLAN, that native VLAN component is not as important. But that's, again, much later lab. Which active VLANs are allowed to cross the link? VLANs 1, 10, 20, 30, 88, and 99. How do we know that? VLANs allowed in active management domain. 1, 10, 20, 30, 88, 99. And it should be on all 3 of them. Alright, step 3. Configure VLAN 99 on switch 2 and switch 3. Oh, lo and behold, that's why I have my Word doc. All right, there we go. Ooh, I did not mean to do that. All right. So, fast forward time. Show int trunk on trunking 99. On trunking 99. Exit. On trunking 99. All right. So we've now done the show interface to verify that native VLAN 99 is what's there. We've also done the show VLAN. We didn't do that, but we can. Show VLAN brief. We can see the information. Show VLAN command to display the recorded configs for the VLAN. So show VLAN. Right now there's no data. There's no parent. There's no STP or bridge mode or transmission issues. So why is gig 0, 2, and 0, 1 no longer assigned to VLAN 1? Show VLAN brief. Why is gig 01 on switch 2 no longer assigned to VLAN 1? What's interesting is we see gig 02, but not gig 01. Gig 01 is the active trunking interface. Show interface gig 0/1. It's up. It's connected. It's just one of those that it's not attached to a VLAN. Or it's not attached to a VLAN. It's not an access port. It's a trunk port. Port gig 01 is a trunk port, and trunk ports are not displayed in the show VLAN brief, or show VLAN section. Alright, completion 100%. Check results. 80 out of 80, 8 items out of 8 items. We are good. Questions, thoughts, concerns about this lab, please let me know. Thank you. Alrighty, that now concludes the lab. If you have any questions, thoughts, issues, concerns, please leave a comment, let me know. Again, a lot of this material is repetition. You cannot just skate through it one and done. If this has helped you, please again let me know. Anything I can do to assist, all you have to do is reach out. Thank you.